Will we manage to clean the cargo holds for grain after cement? We received a project for a vessel that had previously carried cement, and the holds had not been properly cleaned. The next cargo was grain, and that's a completely different level of requirements, because this is a product that will eventually be used for human consumption, which means any residue from the previous cargo is a contamination risk and a direct violation of standards. We boarded the vessel during discharge and started immediately. The first stage was dry cleaning, removing cement residues, including behind frames and in hard-to-reach areas. Cement is one of the most difficult types of contamination. It doesn't just sit on the surface, it bonds to the metal and becomes extremely hard to remove. Once at sea, we moved to the main cleaning stage, chemical application followed by high-pressure washing. But additional issues came up: limited water supply and tight deadlines. Some areas had to be treated manually, what neither chemicals nor pressure could remove. Work continued non-stop, with constant adjustments and preparation for inspections. In total, the process took about 5 days. Despite all the challenges, the vessel was successfully prepared and approved for grain loading.